Broncos, Mr. Kidd here. Unfortunate ending to the year. I know that, particularly because we had such an amazing grade 12 class this year. I know many of you are going to do great things, and I'm looking forward to hearing about them. I know we're missing prom and we're missing banquets and that type of thing for the end of the year, but I will commit to doing something for our graduates next year, and I expect all of you to be at our commencement on October 15th. In the meantime, stay safe, stay well, and all the best.
Congratulations, class of 2020. It's been a crazy year, but you made it. And moving forward, you can always remember that this was a special time. Anyway, I hope all the best for you. Keep in touch, let us know how you're doing, and hopefully we can celebrate your milestone in a more appropriate way in the fall. Go Broncos! Woo!
Congratulations, class of 2020. I'm looking forward to celebrating you in the fall at commencement. For now, be safe and be well till we meet again.
Congratulations to all the graduates for this year. Maybe not the most exciting semester to end on, but I hope that you take with you the memories from the last 4 years of Bramalea and treasure them just as much as we of the staff have treasured having you at the school. We're going to miss you. Take care.
Hello, graduating class of 2020, Mrs. Bertrand here, and I'm really proud of all of you and all the hard work you've been doing for the last 4 years, and I wish that we were celebrating properly at the prom and having a commencement ceremony, but all of those good things will come in time. And for now, I want to say good luck, best wishes. I hope all of your future dreams come true. And most of all, I hope we get to see each other at some point in the future. It'd be really nice to tell you this message in person. So until then, good luck, be your best selves, don't procrastinate, that's my #1 rule, and take care of yourselves. Bye!
Hey grads of 2020, I just wanted to wish you a congratulations and all the best. This one is definitely a year to remember, so all the best in the future.
Congratulations, class of 2020. Work hard, surround yourself by positive people, and go tackle the world.
Hello, class of 2020. Miss C here. Just wanting to wish you the very best in this graduating year, even though we're not together, but we will be. That will be happening. It's just a matter of time. Wanting to wish you the best in your future goals at post-secondary apprenticeship programs. If you're just deciding to take a year off, pick up a job, whatever it is you're trying to do, we wish you the very best. So class of 2020, we will be seeing you soon.
Greetings, grads of 2020. Mr. Dailey here, coming from my studio where I'm putting together the video you're watching right now. Wish we could be together to celebrate right now, but we'll do so in the fall. For now, keep enjoying those movies, video games, taking photos, being creative the way you do. Take care.
Hey, class of 2020, congratulations, you finally made it. It's awesome. Tough way to end 4 years, I know. But listen, you did it. You pushed through in really difficult circumstances. It says a lot for who you are and what you're capable of. So go out there and go get them. Nothing can stop you now. Look forward with excitement because what's to come is going to be fantastic. And don't forget to look back and remember the good times. We at BSS, we're always going to be there waiting to have you come in and visit us and let us know how great things are. And hopefully we'll see you in the fall at commencement. Take care, everybody. Way to go.
Félicitations la classe de 2020. Je vous espère de bonnes journées à l'université, au collège ou si vous allez simplement travailler. On va vous manquer. Venez pour une visite l'année prochaine.
Congratulations, graduating Broncos. It's been a tough year, but you guys have done it, and I want to wish you all the best for all your endeavors coming up. Take care.
Congratulations, class of 2020. You made it. Thank you for all the ways you've made Bramalea such a memorable place to be over the last 4 years. You guys are an awesome class. I hope that you continue to work hard and carry that Bronco spirit with you wherever you go. I look forward to seeing you guys at commencement and hearing all the stories of all the fantastic things you're doing. And remember, once a Bronco, always a Bronco. Take care. Bye.
Hello, graduating Broncos of 2020. This is Mr. Holseth. I would just like to congratulate you on graduating this year from Bramalea Secondary School. I like to think of life as like a game of basketball. There's going to be ups and downs, there's going to be things that are expected to happen, and there's going to be things that unexpectedly happen. And you just have to deal with things as they come. The one thing about life is there's only one game. So make sure when you play that game, you do your best. Congratulations and good luck into your future.
Hi, graduating class of 2020. It's Miss Honey here to say congratulations. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Remember to be bold, be courageous, but most of all, be yourself. Have a wonderful summer, and I hope to hear from some of you soon. Broncos!
Hello, grads of 2020. This is Kimmerer here saying it's been a great 4 years. Good luck in the future. And this is Big Daddy K signing off.
Hi, it's Mr. Lowe with his quarantine haircut. I just want to say congratulations to the class of 2020. Go Broncos!
Hey graduates, this is Mr. Lowe, Vice Principal of Bramalea Secondary School. I just want to remind you as I stand before this logo that the future belongs to those who prepare for it. So we just want to wish you all the best as you get ready to leave Bramalea and move on to the next step in your life. All the best, work hard, and we believe in you. Go Broncos!
Hi, class of 2020. Congratulations on graduating from Bramalea. Remember, once a Bronco, always a Bronco. Be sure to come back and visit and stay true to yourself. And I can't wait to hear about all of your adventures in post-secondary. Take care. Congratulations.
This is Mr. Martin, wishing all the Bramalea class of 2020 all the very best.
Hey there, grads of 2020. I wish we were all celebrating under different circumstances. I'm so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourselves. Hopefully we see each other in the future. Good luck.
Congratulations to the class of 2020. Broncos, you've worked hard, you've made it. You should feel really proud. I'm going to read you a little bit from Oh, the Places You Go. It's my favorite grad book. Congratulations, today is your day. You're off to great places, and you're off and away. With your head full of brains and your shoes full of feet, you're too smart to go down any not-so-good street. Please come back in the fall. We can't wait to see you at commencement. We look forward to hearing all of the stories of your great adventures ahead. Go chase your dreams.
Hello, graduating class of 2020. I just want to congratulate you guys for all your hard work and for your ability to get through a very difficult time and graduate. I know it's probably really hard to believe you finished high school, but you did it. And I want to wish you all the best of luck in the future. Congrats.
Hey class of 2020, it's Mrs. Oldershaw here. You were a great class, and I have no doubt that you will do great things. So when you can, come back and tell me all about them. Until then, I wish you the best of luck. I wish you all great things that life has to offer. Congratulations. Make us proud, Broncos.
Today you're graduating from high school, which means that this is the first day of the last day of your life.
No, that's wrong. This is the last day of the first day of school.
No, that's worse.
This is a day. Congratulations, class of 2020. See you at commencement.
Class of 2020, it's been a great pleasure teaching you all, and I cannot wait to see all of your success in the years to come. Congratulations and wish you all the best.
Happy graduation. Remember, time may seem to go in a straight line, but life always moves in different directions. All the best.
Hello, Broncos. Congratulations to the class of 2020, and a special shout out to my grade 12 English class. Everybody should be proud of their accomplishments, especially under such extraordinary circumstances. We hope to see you soon and wish you all the best for your future.
Hey grads, first I just want to say congrats, you made it. Second, don't forget, go live it up. Challenge yourselves, do something that takes yourself out of your comfort zone. Remember, go find love. Love's a great thing. And always be happy, guys, okay? Be merry, to all those around you. We'll miss you at Bramalea. Have a good one.
Congratulations, class of 2020, for the music department. You made a big difference over the last 4 years. Carry that Bronco spirit into the next chapter. Best wishes.
Now turn around.
Hello and congratulations, graduates. While this isn't the way that I thought I would be saying this, I wanted to say how proud I am of you. You've done it. You've made it. And you're on to the next chapter of your life. So it's been a real pleasure to watch most of you grow from the little insecure grade 9s that you were when you first entered our school building to the confident young men and women that you've grown into. So I'm hoping that maybe, although this is maybe not the way that you wanted it to finish, I'm hoping that this has given you a bit of an opportunity to maybe learn some valuable life lessons, give you a little bit of a taste of what it's going to be like when you venture outside of our walls, when there is nobody looking over your shoulder saying to you, hey, get this done, get this done. Gives you a good taste of what's in store for you as you head on to this new chapter in your life. I look forward to hearing from many of you as you go out and start on your new adventure. And hopefully at some point in the future, we will get a chance to say this to you in person. But it's been a real pleasure, and I'm so proud of you, and I'm so excited to wait and see what the big world is going to bring for you. See you later. Bye.
Bonjour à tous et à toutes. C'est pour la première fois dans ma vie professionnelle que je dois vous souhaiter mes meilleurs vœux de chez moi. Et ce que je vous souhaite, c'est de continuer toujours vos études, ou bien en technologie, ou bien en voie professionnelle. Pour les parents, je voudrais les remercier pour qu'ils nous ont accordé la possibilité de vous avoir chez nous pour 4 ans, et aussi parce qu'ils ont eu de la confiance de vous enseigner. De nouveau, pour vous-même, je vous souhaite beaucoup de chance à l'avenir dans tous vos exploits, surtout de la bonne santé, de la prospérité, et ne n'oubliez pas. Bien sûr qu'on espère que l'année prochaine sera beaucoup mieux que cette année. Au revoir.